new. Rent keeps rising higher than the morning view. 3 jobs working just to pay for one small room. Dreams that once were shining now are fading too soon. Subway trains keep rolling through the sleepless night. People chasing futures that are slipping out of sight. The city that once welcomed every hopeful heart now feels like it's pushing everyone apart. They're leaving New York behind, searching for a little peace of mind. Down to Texas, where the open skies unfold, to Florida, where the winter never grows cold. They carry their memories and all they've known, looking for a place to finally call home. Leaving New York behind, holding on to hope 1 mile at a time. Corner diners closing where the old friends used to meet. Families packing boxes on familiar city streets. The pressure keeps on building with each passing day. People asking if there's still another way. Austin's calling with a promise of new ground. Miami's sunshine says, come slow your worries down. It's not about forgetting where they came from before. It's finding room to breathe and dream once more. They're leaving New York behind, trading crowded streets for a different kind of life. Texas highways stretching far beyond the rain. Florida mornings washing away the strain. With courage in their footsteps and faith inside, they follow where tomorrow's hopes reside. Leaving New York behind, searching for a chance to thrive. But every skyline leaves a story in the soul, the laughter in the boroughs, the people we still hold. New York built their resilience, taught them how to fight, to stand through every hardship and keep their dreams inside. Though distance draws a line across the map, we know the spirit of the city is something they still show. They carry it to Houston, Orlando, Tampa Bay, a piece of New York living in them every day. They're leaving New York behind, not because they stopped believing in its light, but every heart deserves a place to grow, a chance to plant new seeds and watch them show. Texas sunsets, Florida ocean tides, welcoming the travelers, changing with the times. Leaving New York behind, still keeping New York deep inside. Life keeps turning pages we don't always choose. Sometimes holding on means knowing what to lose. And every road we travel writes another song about finding where we truly belong. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, the memories of yesterday remain. Goodbye to the city lights dancing in the rain. Hello to open roads Manhattan to Dallas, from Brooklyn to the shore, carrying hope through every open door. New York, you'll always be a part of me, but it's time to chase the life I'm meant to see, leaving New York behind with hope ahead.